Hello friends, welcome to the channel and this is your health advisor. In this channel, I regularly upload health related videos to keep you guys healthy. In this video, I'm going to talk about 10 healthy ways to start your day. Let's get started. Are you a morning person? For some of us, seemingly no matter how early we go to bed the night before, we always wake up feeling exhausted and lethargic. Here are a few tips for how to start your morning in a healthy way that leaves you feeling energetic and ready for your day. Wake up naturally. One trick to improve how you feel in the morning is to go to sleep with the blinds halfway open. This way, you will gradually waken up by the rising sunlight. And if you can keep this routine, you may find yourself able to continuously get up in the morning without an alarm clock. Another thing that a lot of people do to trick their sense into waking up naturally is to get their morning coffee ready the night before and set it on a timer just before the alarm clock. This way, you wake to the smell of coffee, which has a mental trigger of telling your body to wake up. Warm water, fresh start. Drinking a glass of water in the morning after going hours without a sip is a good way to hydrate your body. The Ayurvedic technique of adding lemon to a warm glass of water helps remove toxins from your digestive tract that may have built up overnight, provides a good source of vitamin C, freshens your breath, supports weight loss, and stimulates metabolism and digestion. Exercise or stretch. While it may seem like a challenge for some to wake up early enough to have time for a healthy morning run or bike ride, exercising soon after you wake up can help improve your concentration, energy, and mood throughout the day. Another trick to eliminate some early morning grogginess if you don't have time to exercise is to spend some time stretching soon after you wake up. This gets the blood following to your arms and legs and can help you feel limber and energetic as you are starting the day. Meditate. Incorporating some type of mindfulness practice like meditation into your daily morning routine can help ground you and train your mind and emotions, which can influence how you react to challenge throughout your day. We have another video on our channel about meditation. You can check that out anytime. Water first, caffeine second. A cup of coffee is the first thing that many of us drink in the morning. When you have a busy day ahead of you, it can be very easy to become distracted and drink nothing but coffee until well into the afternoon. Be sure that you take care of your basic health before you begin filling your body with other healthy beverages. Even juice, soda, or other sugary beverages are not good substitute for water. Start your morning off with a tall glass of water before you pour yourself a cup of coffee. Dehydration can impact your focus, productivity, and mood. So drink up. Avoid hitting the snooze button. Hitting the snooze button has actually been shown to be more harmful than helpful because those extra few minutes of sleep do not provide you with quality restorative rest. This can make you groggier in the morning and interfere with your body's urge to wake up at the same time every day. As painful as it may be on some mornings, once you hear the alarm, do your best to get out of bed. Eat breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day. A fairly obvious tip but easy to overlook when you are busy. Start your day off with a decent meal, combining protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. Ideally, you should budget time for something like whole grain toast with peanut butter and banana, fruits and yogurt. And if you're really feeling like making it a special morning, add some vegetables to an omelette to really kickstart your day. Minimize morning stressors. To make your morning easier, limit the amount of decision you need to make before you leave for the day. Laying out your outfit the night before is a good place to start, as well as tidying up anything around your place that you may feel compelled to clean the following morning. Ideally, you want to be able to just wake up, get ready, and head out without having to rush or make any unnecessary decision. Limit electronics. It's tempting to start your day off by flipping open your laptop, by checking your email, Facebook, or the news, are all activities that can unintentionally interfere with your morning and subsequently the rest of your day. Rather than use your computer right after you wake up, try a more engaging, less passive activity, such as writing in a journal for 10 minutes or listening to an inspiring song. Get a good night's sleep. Unsurprisingly, the key to a great start to your day is to get a healthy amount of sleep the night before. The key to improving your sleep is to start with your bedtime habit, creating a relaxing environment for your body to find rest.